Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to activate silica gel. Silica gel is a fantastic desiccant, but it eventually becomes saturated with moisture, losing its effectiveness. Reactivating it is a simple process that restores its ability to absorb water, making it reusable. This not only saves you money, but also helps reduce waste, extending the life of your silica gel for many uses. The most common method is oven reactivation. First, spread your saturated silica gel in a thin, even layer on a baking sheet. Then, place it in an oven preheated to 120 degrees Celsius, or about 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the gel for approximately 2 to 3 hours. You'll notice the color change, indicating it's fully reactivated and ready to absorb moisture again. For smaller quantities, a microwave can work. Place the gel in a microwave-safe dish and heat on medium power for 30-second bursts, stirring well after each. Be careful not to overheat it. Alternatively, you can use the sun. Spread the gel on a dark surface in direct sunlight for several days. This method is slower but effective, especially in warm, dry environments. Once your silica gel is reactivated and cool, it's crucial to store it properly. Immediately transfer it to an airtight container to prevent it from reabsorbing moisture from the air. This ensures it remains effective until you need it. Always handle hot gel with care, using gloves or tongs, and avoid direct skin contact to prevent burns. Safety first.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.